Hello everyone, today I will be exposing. Today I met Creaking Game with my black BFF and he called her a monkey, which is sickening. Not only that, but he tried to make her his slave. Like, excuse me, when I threatened to expose him. There is also footage of Creep.
I hate Nick so much they should go back to picking.
This is disgusting. How is he not cancelled? There is also other incidents of him being racist.
Purpose in life is to be in my stream sucking on my daily. Your purpose in life is to be in that chat blowing a dick daily.
He's doing is truly horrible.
Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose.
Platform at all.
You should kill yourself now and give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so that we can breathe.